Hi everyone, this video is going to go over how to solve two-step equations. So just a reminder that the goal of solving any equation is to isolate the variable, aka get the variable by itself. For our first example, we have 2x plus 6 is equal to 48. So I'm circling the variable, drawing a line down from the equal sign. And what you should do is you should still always try to get rid of that constant first. So the constant in this case is 6. So because it's a positive 6, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Those 6's cancel out, and that's what we want. And then 48 minus 6 is 42. And this time, instead of just having x is equal to, we have 2x. So we bring down 2x is equal to 42. Because x is not by itself, we have to continue on and do the second step. So we divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 21. We divided by 2 because 2 is in front of the variable, the coefficient. So you're always trying to get rid of the coefficient. Try some more examples. So circle the variable, draw a line down. We would add 10. Those go away. We have 3x is equal to 50 plus 10 is 60. And then divide both sides by 3, and x is equal to 20. The next one, same type, but we just have a negative this time. Subtract 15. Negative 5x is equal to negative 50. And divide both sides by negative 5. Those cancel out. X is equal to positive 10. All right, we have some with division. Like division in it, so we have to use multiplication. So circle the variable, draw a line down. Again, subtract that constant or add that constant. We get 12 over here. We have a over 2. So in this case, because it's a divided by 2, we'd multiply to get rid of that number. That goes away. A is equal to 24. And this one is similar. Add 5, add 5. Those go away. We get 20 is equal to 1/3 x. And then this one is a kill the fraction. So we'd multiply by both sides by the reciprocal. The reciprocal is the flip. So multiply by 3 over 1, or just 3. Those go away. X is equal to 60. And the last example, just another type. Add 5, add 5. M over 4 is equal to negative 15. And multiply by the denominator to get rid of it. M is equal to negative 60. And that's it.